In this video, I'll show you how to use Afterpay gift cards in store, step by step, in a simple and practical way. Once you've already purchased a gift card through Afterpay, the first thing you want to do is open the Afterpay app and go to your gift card section. Here you'll see the gift card you bought along with its details, including the balance and the barcode or card number. Before heading to the store, make sure the retailer you're visiting accepts that specific gift card for in-store purchases, because some gift cards work both online and in-store, while others may be limited. When you're ready to use it, open the gift card in your Afterpay app and keep the barcode visible on your screen. In many cases, you can also add the gift card to your mobile wallet if the option is available, which makes checkout even easier. Now, go to the store and pick out the items you want to buy like you normally would. When you're at the checkout counter, let the cashier know you'll be paying with a gift card. At that point, show them the barcode from your phone so they can scan it, or provide the gift card number and PIN if they ask for it. The system will automatically deduct the purchase amount from your Afterpay gift card balance. If the total is less than the gift card balance, the remaining amount stays on the card for future use. If the total is more than the gift card balance, you may be asked to pay the difference using another payment method, depending on the store's policy. Once the payment goes through, you're all set, and that's how you use an Afterpay gift card in store. And one last tip, since you're using digital gift cards on your phone while shopping, it's a good idea to keep your connection secure. I recommend NordVPN for extra protection, and there's a link in the description where you can try it risk-free for a great price.